share with you some kits that I've put together. There are 4 kits available and they're all more or less identical. Obviously book pages will vary because you don't get the same pages in a book. Like I said, 4 available. They'll be in my shop as soon as this video goes up. Let me just move some things. So we have bundle of coffee dyed papers. There are 10. I folded these in half. Obviously this makes it easier for shipping. And I've got to pull my sleeve up because it's catching on the paper. So there's 10 sheets of plain coffee dyed paper. Then there is 2 squared and then 2 lined. So they're all A4 size, folded in half. You can keep them as they are to make a journal. You can cut them down to make a smaller journal or a traveller's notebook, whatever you like. So there's that. Then we have a bundle of papers. There is 2 of these very large flower book pages. Really hard to show on here. I love the flowers, they're so pretty. And that's the other side, it's got a lot of writing. And then that one, very pretty. So there's 2 of them. Then we have, there's 4 Edith Holden altogether. This is Edith Holden as well, but from one of the other books, can't remember what it's called. Is it Edwardian Lady? I'm not sure. I've got so many and I've taken them all out of the covers now and they're all kind of split apart. So you get 4 of them. Then there is 4 of these. It's just a plants and flower book pages. All different. Cacti, a desert garden, and there is that one. So there's 2 of them. Then there is 2 of these. These are houseplant book pages. That's funny because I put the other pages got some cacti and so is this. I didn't really realise that when I was putting it together. There is 2 Pitman shorthand book pages. There is 6 dictionary book pages. I think it's thesaurus. And then there's not 6. There's 4. Sorry. There's 2 of them. 4 of these. 4 of these little vintage dictionary pages. Then we have 4 of these little manila tags, and then there's 4 of the larger ones, all with the strings. So there's 4 of them. I'm just checking that there is 4. There's 1 coin envelope here. There is 4 index cards, a large bridge scorecard, it's nice and thick. There's 4 of the jelly bean soup pockets. Now they've got the score marks where you just fold them all and glue them together. So there's 4 of them. They're done on coffee dyed paper. There is 4 small doilies. So there's 4 of them. 4 large doilies, and I've just kind of folded them in half. If you don't want them folded, you can easily put a bit of paper over them and run an iron over them, and it will take the crease out. But like I said, it's just easier for shipping. So there's 4 of them, and obviously with coffee dyed or tea dyed things, you know, every page is a different colour. It's, you know, nothing's all the same. There's a coffee dyed floral bag. There is coffee dyed stripe. These are gold and white, but now they're gold and coffee dyed. Love the noise of them. There's 2 of the polka dot ones, and there's 1 large glassine bag that come out absolutely lovely. I let them soak in the coffee dyed water for a while. And then there's 2 window envelopes you can make pockets out of. Then you have, whoopsie, 10 tickets. There is 6 tabs. These are the Stampin' Up tabs. And then there's 6 butterflies. Obviously in reverse you've got the other pattern on the other side, so there's 6 of them, just like so. And then there is 3 meters of this eyelash trim, and I think it's in a light beige colour. So that is what you get with the kit. I've just made a right mess of it all now. So there's lots of things here. Great starter kit to make a journal, or do whatever you like with it, because there's many different things you can do with all this. So like I said, there's 4 of these available, and the only difference will be the actual book pages, because like I said, book pages are book pages. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.